Hi, this video today I would like to introduce a tool extension for Chrome. So when you are using the Chrome browser to access any website, or also if you are a developer using the Chrome for develop the website. So sometimes there are the caching issue on the Chrome. That means it will display the old data instead of updated data. So here you have to clear the cache in the browser to make the new data displaying on the website. Okay, and clear cache Chrome extension is a powerful tool which will help you to resolve any issue with the caching. Okay, so you just go ahead to click tie in the clear cache Chrome extension in the search tool of the Google, and after that click on the search result here. Okay, click on the add to Chrome button to add this extension into the Chrome. Before we do the adding, we can find some information here. It clears the cache and browsing data with a single click of a button. Quickly clear the cache with this extension without any confirmation dialog pop up. Okay, you can customize one. Okay, here option download cookie. Okay, so here I will click on add to Chrome button. Confirm. Okay, this one here. So this one is clear cache option. Reload automatically reload active tab after clear data. Okay, so data to remove. Here we have a lot of things to do the confirmation to do the configuration. So by default it will only clear the cache. We have app cache, cookie, download, file system, form data history, blah blah here, a lot of things. The time periods, last hour, everything. Keyboard shortcut. Okay. So here I will leave it by default. Cool. So it will display an icon here. Clear the cache. When you access into, for example, this one is a website, and you are a developer and you are working on this site to update the style link for this. And in case if when you change the style but it does not apply here, so you have to clear the cache for this website by just click on this clear cache. Okay, and refresh it. It have an option. I will click on this one, right click on this and select option. It have option is reload after you clear the data. I will select this one, close it, click. Okay, so here after you clear the cache and the new change of the styling for this website will be displayed in the website. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and this tool is according to me this tool is very useful if you are a developer when working on the front end page to do the styling for the website. Hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.